Hi, my name is Margherita Martini and I am an RSU student ambassador. Today, I will explain you how to start your Latvia travel process if you're from an additional assessment country. I will guide you through all the steps, and so let's start. Step number 1. Check your country status. After being admitted to RSU and before planning your trip to Latvia, check if your country is on the additional assessment list. Step 2. Apply for a temporary residency permit. If your country is on the list, your first step is to apply for a Latvia temporary residency permit, also known as TRP. Once you get your invitation number, which is prepared by RSU immigration officer, gather these documents. 1. ACMA application form. 2. ACMA letter. 3. A photo, 3 by 4 centimeters. 4. A passport copy, which will need to include personal data page and all pages with stamps or visas. Number 5, you will need your study contract, and RSU will provide you also with this. Number 6, you will need a bank statement in English showing at least 8,880 euros with your full name, date of birth, and or passport number, bank full name, address, SWIFT code, and your account number, and a wet stamp and signature from a bank officer. You will then need a police clearance certificate from the country you have been residing for the past 12 months. Depending on the issuing country, this document will need to be legalized or having an apostille seal. And then, lastly, you will also require a state fee payment receipt. Step 3. Visit your embassy. This application must be submitted in person at the Latvian embassy that serves your country. You'll need to book an appointment and prepare your documents carefully. Step 4. Be prepared for a long process. This process can take time and requires precise and thoughtful preparation. Make sure all of your documents are accurate and complete, and it is advisable to pay the state fee for a 5 working days decision. Step 5. Wait for the decision. Once you've submitted your application, wait for a decision from the ACMA, that's the Office of Citizenship and Migration Affairs in Latvia. Step number 6. If approved, start your visa process. If your TRP application is approved, you can then begin the Latvia visa process application at your competent embassy. Note that some embassies may require extra steps or a personal visit, while others may work remotely. If your visa is approved, it will be stamped in your passport. Check the validity of your visa and make sure you arrive in Latvia before your studies begin. Step number 7. Submit biometrics. After your arrival to Latvia, go to any ACMA office to give your physical photo and fingerprints. You will need to bring your passport, your local health insurance, a rental contract, and a chest X-ray, which must be approved by a Latvian doctor. When going to an ACMA office, you can walk in and wait in a live queue or book an appointment. Step 8. Get your TRP card. Your plastic TRP card is ready in 2 weeks, which is the standard time, or faster if you pay extra, 2 or 5 working days. Pick it up at the same ACMA office where you gave your biometrics. Step 9. Renew every year. TRP cards must be renewed annually. Contact RSU immigration officer 60 days before your card expires to start the renewal. These are all the steps that you need to follow in order to get your TRP card. If you have any questions or if you need more information, please contact admissions@rsu.lv. Good luck!